Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, we are doing unit 13 surface areas and volumes of your NCERT book, and we are running 13.7 exercise in which we are studying the volume of a cone. Until now we have done first three questions. Now let us do question number 4 onwards. So let's start with question number 4. But before starting, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and comment on the video and press the like button, press the bell icon to get the notifications for the subscription. So let's start with question number 4, 13.7 exercise. So dear students, question number 4 is, if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 cm is 48 by cubic centimeter, find the diameter of its base. So volume of right circular cone is given to us and we need to find out the radius, or we can say diameter, then only we'll get the radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times its radius. So as I told you, always start the question from the given part. We have been given the volume of cone, so let us start the question from there. So its formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, means 1/3 of cylinder, is equal to 48 pi cubic centimeter. So pi can be cancelled out straightforward because total multiplication is there on both the sides. So let us solve. H is 9 and this is 1 by 3 is equal to 48 cubic centimeter. This is centimeters. So 3. So r square is equal to 48 cubic centimeter divided by 3 centimeter. This will cancelled out, will get square. So 16 3s are 48 centimeter square is the radius square. But when it goes to other side, it will become square root of 16 centimeter square. Square will get cancelled out by the square root and 16 square. 16 is square of 4 and square se root cancel, will get 4 centimeter. So this will be the radius. So what will be the diameter? Diameter will be the twice of radius, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. This will be the diameter. So the question is very easy, as you can see. Now let's see question number 5. A conical pit मतलब होता है गड्ढा, of a top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? Dear students, capacity means volume. हमें उस गड्ढे की volume निकालनी है, capacity निकालनी है. So the question is straightforward. Let us do. So we have a conical pit. गड्ढा 12 मीटर डीप है, जो रेडियस डायमीटर इज 3.5 मीटर एंड रेडियस इज 3.5 by 2 meters. So let us find out its capacity. So we will write capacity of conical pit is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So let us put the values. 22 by 7 into radius. We'll put it in fraction because, as I told you, whenever there is multiplication, always put it in fraction form. So we'll get 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 as square is there into 12 meter is the height. So dear students, by solving it, what do we get? We'll get the volume as 38.5 cubic meter. Now but it is given that we have to find out in kiloliters. So beta 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. So let us multiply it by 1000 to convert it into liters. But kiloliters में और किलो की क्या वैल्यू होती है? किलो की वैल्यू होती है 1000 को ही हम लिख सकते हैं किलो liters. So in short we can say cubic meter लिखें या फिर kiloliter लिखें. Both the things are same. So no need to multiply. We can directly write down cubic meter as kiloliters. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let's do question number 6. Sixth question is, the volume of a right circular cone is 98 9,856 cubic centimeter. If the diameter of the base is given to us, find the height of the cone, slant height of the cone and curved surface area. So what is given to us? We'll start with that. Volume is given to us. Let us start with the volume. So volume of cone is this. Diameter is 28 centimeter. So half of this, that is 14, will be the radius. So let us start with this. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856 cubic centimeter. So whatever we have, let us put the value. Into radius is 14 into 14. Here we are not putting the value in fraction because we obtained a whole number. Into height will be obtained from. So this radius is in centimeter, this is in centimeter, 14 centimeter. Now let us cross multiply the things. 7 2s are 14. H is equal to 9856 cubic centimeter. This goes in multiplication, divided by 22 into 2 centimeter into 14 centimeter. This will be there. 2 centimeter, 1 bachega, 3 minus 2, 1 centimeter is left. Now let us solve it and we'll get the height as 48 centimeter. So that means this is the height of this cone, that is 48 centimeter. Right? Now this is the first part from which we got the height. Now time to find out the slant height. For slant height we denoted by L and the formula is square root of r square plus h square. So let us put the values. Radius is 14 square plus 48 square is the height. So let us solve it. 196 plus 2304, and by adding the two we'll get 2500. And 25 किसका square होता है? It is the square of 5, and for 2 zeros we'll take 0. So slant height will be 50 centimeter. Now time to find out third part, that is curved surface area of cone, and that is equal to pi r L. So let us put the values. 22 by 7, radius 14 centimeter and slant height is 50 centimeter. So by solving it, we'll get the area as 2200, and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So this will be the curved surface area. And as we all know, area is always calculated in square units, and for any kind of length we have single unit. For volume we have cubic unit. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's do question number 7. Dear students, we'll discuss question number 7, 8 and 9 in our next video. Till that, thank you, and try the questions yourself also. Try 9th question now yourself. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.